Leadership is one of the most basic jobs which a manager has to perform. If we try to understand a manager's job, his basic purpose is to achieve organizational results through efforts of his followers. Managers thus are invariably influencing behavior of people at any given time. What is leadership is not easy to understand, but by and large we can say that it influences people. It is about commanding people, it is about leading people and guiding people. There are many definitions of leadership. One definition is that it is the art of including the subordinates to accomplish their assignments with zeal and confidence. Zeal reflects ardor, earnestness and intensity in execution of work. Confidence reflects experience and technical ability. Leadership essentially is an influence process in which the leader influences his subordinates and in turn is influenced by the subordinate. Thus, it is a bilateral flow of influence that happens in leadership. Harold R. McClendon says that do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. This is what an ideal leader is supposed to do. Managing versus leading has always been a matter of debate. What is what? Or rather, which is bigger? In fact, there was a time when there were two different views, but over the years there has been some convergence. However, there are certain subtle differences between the two. Managing, while it values results, leading values relationships. Managing relates to position. Leading has low regard for positions. Managing takes few risks. Leading takes large risks. Managing is somewhat impersonal. Leading is somewhat impersonal, personal and caring. Managing conforms to rules of others. Leading is not receptive to the rules of others. Managing is more about status quo and it involves low innovation. Leading is about new ideas, high innovation. Managing is more functional in nature, involved with analyzing, evaluating and solving problems. Leading is more non-functional. It is about inspiring and motivating people.